Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy, they pour when I'm. What's up? Been a minute since we kicked it, you've been caught up. With the bitches, now you don't get it, you're a styler. You shouldn't have to deal with that. I'd never make you feel like that.
Hey guys, morning. I mean, it's almost the afternoon now, but so we're working from home today. There's so much that I want to get done that I'm just not quite sure where to start. I've got a SweatCon class booked this afternoon, but it's just the timing that's making me a bit reluctant to go. It's booked for 5:30 and I don't want to travel in rush hour because it's just not the nicest, and I don't think I want to be locked up sweating. There is a gym downstairs, so I'm probably just going to utilize that, and I also want to cook. I don't know if I want some fried fish, some spicy fried fish, or if I want some spicy curry chicken. I feel like I've been eating enough curry lately, so I'm gonna take me go for the fish. Look a bit of fish for me. And then my brother loved the curry chicken, so I'm gonna smell like a curry chicken. Murder. Thank you. I'm just going to Sainsbury's now. We'll pick up some flowers or some little knickknacks. Right, I just got back in. I couldn't get any fish, but I'm just gonna start cooking now. I've got e-learning online, so I've just got the team over there, and I'm just gonna be cooking at the same time. I do need to do the dishes in a minute, but yeah, I'm gonna make some curry chicken. I've been trying this new caramel sauce. It's not too bad. I usually when I'm broiling the chicken, I usually end up eating chicken. It's a little soup that's kind of salty. I'm still going to use the sugar. I'm going to use the usual style and discarbonize the sugar first. I think it's a little sweet. Keep it. Okay, so this is what we're looking like. I'm putting sweet chicken in, some curry over here, so bubble. I'm adding a little vegetable then now and something. I'll make this go and cook up. And then I'm going to wash up the rice and put it on. In the next 20 minutes, we're supposed to ready 20-30 minutes. brush my hair and remold it and all of that, but I'm exhausted, child.
I love me enough for the both of us.
People, the food almost done, so the rest of Bobby down there. I'm gonna tell you in 20 minutes don't play with me at my lunchtime. When me I work from home, I'm afraid to lift up the one because boy pot hot, but I'm so sure now. Don't play with me when me I work from home. No kitchen, no safe. I need for the money of them going.
You trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us. So what are you so afraid of? Darling, you give but you cannot take love. No, I don't like you, I just thought you were cool enough to kick it. Got a beach house I could sell you an Idaho. Since you think I don't love you, I just thought you were cute. That's why
So the work is done. I'm just taking out the trash and I'm gonna bang out a gym session. I'm hoping the gym is empty because I really want to get into it, do some back and just crack on. It's been a pretty good working day. Very
don't
busy.
get to fly it though I'm lying down thinking about you. Oh no, 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 I've been thinking about you. You, no, 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 I've been thinking about you. Do you think about yourself? Do you, do you? Or do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. I love me enough for the both of us. That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us. Yes, of course. I remember I cannot forget.
Hey honeys, workout is done now. I can't wait to go home and just have a bath. I'm gonna sit in the bath today and use some muscle soap because my muscles are so tense. I've got a Pilates class at 7:30 tomorrow, but I don't think I'm gonna make it. Probably just have to squeeze in another home workout. Hey guys, morning. I've got a random boost of energy. It's maintenance day. I'm gonna be doing my hair. I'm working from home today, so I just took the PM off. I'm gonna get ready now and I'm gonna get my hair relaxed. And I'm not sure if I should cut it, but I'm thinking to probably cut the back and do some layers. But let me get ready and catch up with you guys once I'm outside. Hey guys, so I left the house. It is so bleaky outside, like it's proper grey skies everywhere. I'm just waiting on my taxi now to head to the hairdressers, and I've still got some gummy in my hair, so I hope she's not too mad, but I didn't do anything to the back.
What was a hairdresser appointment?
Yes, a hairdresser
Oh my god, I
appointment.
thought you were late for a GP or something.
It's
oh my
it's
god.
just as important. It's equally as important. Don't get me wrong.
Oh mate.
A black woman's hair is her crown, okay?
I know that.
It's
I
her
know.
crown, so
Yeah, but
it's the same as a health checkup.
Oh my, what's that story? It's just like really important, you know.
Because I haven't had my hair done in so long. I didn't want to be late. It's not a good impression, yeah. And she squeezed me in last minute when she didn't have to, so
Yeah, that's true.
the least I can do is be punctual.
Yeah, well, she's nice.
Yeah, she's a lovely hairdresser.
Alright. Okay, almost there, innit?
Yes, literally on the side of the road.
Yeah.
Finally in the cab. I'm a minute or less away from getting my hair done. When the winter comes, I'm usually in a little funky mood, but I'm determined to make this winter a good one. Last winter wasn't actually bad. I was just distracted because I was constantly traveling, but I don't have any trips. I didn't travel in September at all. I don't have any trips booked for October, but I'm still gonna just keep on top of things. I'm still just gonna try to do my best to enjoy London as it
Alright.
is. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Whew, I can breathe. I made it. Thank God. Gosh. Can I open the door?
Yeah.
Thank you. Hey honey, so I just got my hair permed and washed out. I've got a treatment in now. Deep protein treatment. I'm gonna go under the dryer for about 30 minutes. Then I'm gonna wash this out and then I'm gonna mold my hair how I want it. I do want layers. I'm gonna see if she can put rollers in so like proper, so it comes out quite voluminous. And then after that now, I'm gonna cut the back of it. I think I'm gonna go for some low layers at the back and keep the top bit tall. So that it shapes into a little sheet bob. I hope it comes out right. I'm not doing the usual hair vlog today, like showing you guys my tips because I don't want to get copyrighted. So I'll check in back with you guys another time, okay? I have no words, guys. Like my wigs are actually perfect. I got exactly what I wanted. I got my layers in the front and at the back, but she didn't cut. I mean, she shaped up the front, but she didn't like cut it short. But she did cut the back. You guys know my hair was about like this length when it was blow dried, like the whole hair like coming down. And then she's cut it all the way up. So look at the back. I don't have no hair. So, show you guys. So this is my hair. Look at the layers. It comes all the way over. I don't want to ruin it.